guys, welcome back to my page. So today is something a little different. This is Help a Girl Out. This is hosted by Sybil B here on YouTube. I guess she used to do it before, but I'm new to YouTube, so I haven't seen it. But she'll do different challenges based on different like subjects, I guess you want to call it. So this round for this challenge was holiday storage, like whether it's Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas stuff. Christmas is coming up, so I'm going to share my Christmas storage. It's a lot like my Halloween storage. I will post down below. This year coming up for Christmas will be my second year in Christmas crafting, so this is all that I have, basically, and I will get straight into it. I have these bins. These are like the fabric bins from IKEA, but they sell them everywhere, basically. And I organize everything in these envelopes, these clear envelopes from Amazon, and they look like this, and they have a little snap closure on them, and they're clear so you can see them. But let me show you real quick on top. I just have my Christmas ribbons in this basket because the basket's still deep enough to fit something else. So I wanted to utilize all that space, and this can easily be removed without it being a hassle, you know? So any of my ribbons that are strictly Christmas, they're in here. But if they could go for other themes or other projects, like all my pretty golds and other colors, those are with my other ribbons. So these are strictly Christmas ones. So yeah, let me get straight into it. So this one is ephemera pieces loose. I only have like one collection. And then the rest are just random pieces or ones that my pals gave me. I shoved them in here, and I turn the bag around because it looks neater when I label it. Is anybody else obsessed with labeling, like with their label maker? I am. I love my Dymo one. Except for the last time I went, I accidentally got the black on clear tape versus black on white. I wasn't paying attention. I was like, well, I need to use it. So yeah, that's why it's clear. But normally I would pick the white. So this one is labeled ephemera. As you can tell, it's nothing but ephemera in there. This one is gifted embellies, which is embellishments. As you can see, my pals sent me last year. There's even an embellishment box in there. So these envelopes can get quite thick. The minute that they do start getting really thick, I will start another envelope for it. I do eventually want to get another bin for these, as you will see when I show you those containers over there. But these are gifted. This one is tags, and it is nothing but Christmas tags in here. I have a little obsession with tags. And these aren't tags or bows and stuff that I would use on my holiday Christmas wrapping stuff. Like, that's a whole nother section of the house. Downstairs closet is all gift wrapping for like birthdays and everything else. This is strictly my like Happy Mail, scrapbooking, whatnot. This one is labeled bows. Again, these are all Christmas bows. If they could pass for any other season or holiday, they are with my bow stash. They are not in here. So these ones I thought only looked Christmas, so they're staying in here. Next is like embellishments. These are more of like flowers, and like you can see some snowflake lights. Anything that's super embellished or 3D is in here. And I find it easier to give everything its own category. So the minute you get something in the mail, the minute you buy something or you order something, you know it has a specific home. Versus if, like, for instance, this, you shove all your Christmas stuff in here. Then you're gonna have to start digging, you know, under where'd it go. I know it's in here, you know, so it could get overwhelming that way, I guess, if you want to say. So I like that, you know, each category, and if there's a lot of that category, for instance, I'll show you stickers, but let's move on. So these are paper clips. I have an obsession with paper clips, and clothespins as well are in here. These are picks from like Joann's or Hobby Lobby, wherever. I use these in like loaded bags and stuff. I try to keep it to a minimum because there is so many cute picks, but I'm like, okay, stop. You don't need all those. And I know these get quite bulky. Next is wood veneers. Oh my gosh, last year was my first Happy Meal Christmas, so I was obsessed with buying all these little wood veneers from the Target dollar spot, so much that I had 2 envelopes of it. That's crazy. Like, too much. Okay, so I need to use these stacked. Next is bags. I have 2 containers for bags. These are more like the muslin style ones that people gifted me or I bought from Target. And then these ones are like more like goodie bag styles, different like materials, paper. That's actually a pillow box. I do not keep the scraps with the paper pad. Some people do that. I don't. I just stick it all in here because sometimes different collections go together. So if you have them in, you know, with their coordinating album or whatever, you're not going to know that they go together. If they're in here, then you will. But I know I have more scraps, but this is just one of them in here for now. This are envelopes, little like Christmas themed, Santa shaped looking ones, little houses. There's not a lot in here, but I like that it has its own, it's, you know, staying thin. It has its own separate home. So if I do get more or get gifted some, they go straight in there. Next one is this one. I have an obsession. Is these tags, Christmas tags, lots from Target Dollar Spot, Tuesday morning, stuff like that. These are from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They're like little Santas with unicorns, so cute. This next one, so this is what I was talking about. If you have a lot of a specific something, start breaking it down into subcategories. So this one, these are all word stickers or phrases. So for instance, these are all phrases. There's a random holly berry, so I wouldn't stick this in with the other guys. So go based off, like if it has half phrases, half stickers, what would you use that for most? And then put that in, you know, your subcategory. So these are word stickers. These are shaped stickers. I just have them labeled stickers. But you see little houses, snowflakes, shopping bags, candy canes, just random like Christmas shapes, you know. And then this one as well is just shapes, you know, reindeer, the little cars with the trees and whatnot. So I only had things. These are little bins from Daiso Japan. It's the Japanese dollar store for $1.50. I love these things. I have all sorts of knickknacks in there. But anyway, these were like gifted embellishments. I swore I was gonna keep stuff because look how cute these are. That my pals gifted me for at least a year and then start using them in the following years, because I can't, if I keep everything and don't ever use it that my pals give me, like I'm gonna be crafting in the attic because I'm running out of space. So these are gifted embellishments from my pals, like last year, stuff that they gave me, all sorts of stuff. So I was gifted, like random, all sorts of stuff. Because I don't want to touch it because it's so cute, you know. I didn't want to use it right away. Again, these look like die cuts, some all sorts of like goodies all up in here. This looks like a lot of ephemera that was probably just in random envelopes and stuff that was gifted to me. Turn this into the envelope system and get another bin. And these bins fit perfect in the Kallax units from IKEA. So if you have shelving and stuff, like find a little bin and then work with envelopes in it, because I just feel like once it's in that box system, you know instantly, okay, you know what? I want to make some embellishments. You hurry up and grab your scraps paper, you hurry up and grab your stickers, and you grab your, like, whatever else, you know? So it's easy when it, like I said, everything has a home. And then also, my paper pads, my 12 by 12 paper pads are with all my other paper pads, and they are labeled on the binding with a piece of paper that says like Christmas, you know, and then I describe what type of Christmas paper it is, maroon, red, pinks, whatnot. And then I keep my Christmas dies because I only have a few. I keep those with all of my metal dies. They're just in the very back towards with the holidays. And then my Christmas stamps are in a Christmas box because I don't have that many of those as well. So they're just, you know, they're in there. I don't have a ton of them. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I hope this helps you get more organized. I love organizing, and it's just something, it's in my blood. I don't know, I absolutely love it. So if you guys want to enter, you still have time. You have until November 9th to post a video. If you don't know who Sybil is, she's a card maker, and I don't know, this may sound creepy and weird, but I absolutely love her voice. It is very calm and soothing, and it just relaxes you. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, not all of us have that voice. I don't have that voice, that's for sure. But it's just, you know, she's a really good card maker and she always has fun ideas. And then she has this little challenge of like how to organize certain things. So I think that's really neat. You guys should go give her a follow. I will link her down below. And yeah, go enter, because I think, like all of us crafty people, we like to see how other people organize things or do things or different tricks and tips, you know. So go enter, guys. Bye.